So the course that I studied here was the diplomas of IT networking and IT systems administration. So I did a double diploma, and that was a 2-year course that I finished in 2013. And the reasons why I studied that was I've always had a huge passion for studying IT, and especially in the networking field. A lot of my close friends and family have been in IT, and I just saw it as an industry of the future and something that I saw not only as a passion but a great opportunity. What I enjoyed most about my course was the ability to study with like-minded people, and to have friends and teachers who were on the same track made it not just easier but more enjoyable to study, and also to see where my career was going to pan out in the future. And I could definitely see that if I continued along this course and studied hard, that things were going to look very good for me in the future. My teachers were one of the reasons that I persisted with the course. There were times throughout the course, as I imagine all students have had at some point, considering, oh, should I continue doing this course or not? But the teachers here made the course so enjoyable, and the fact that they were really knowledgeable made it easy to learn, and I was able to interact with them very well. Some specific teachers, I remember VJ and Strawby, just helped me out so much, and it made me enjoy networking more. Favourite activities in the classroom is something that I now look back on and see how beneficial it was, and that was all the lab work and the hands-on experience I got with the actual routers and switches, and being able to actually set up labs physically with my other classmates and see how it all works rather than just doing all theory based. So having the racks in each room when we had our classes was really helpful, and I just loved it because I love being hands-on and in the field, and now in my current job I see how much of a benefit that was to me. I see myself in the future not only just becoming a better network engineer and pursuing a greater career, but I also see myself using the skills that I've attained for good. And one of the things that I'd love to pursue in the future is a missions trip to Congo through our local church, which has been made available to me. And one of the possibilities is for me to take over IT resources such as laptops, monitors, screens, servers, resources like these, and actually take them to third world countries such as certain regions of Congo are, and actually use them to make a difference and use the skills that I've learned to help countries that are less fortunate than us and help people that are less fortunate than us. And that's a big passion on my heart and something that I really want to pursue further. I currently work at a company called Architect Network and Communication Solutions. They're a systems integrator in Bendigo. They started up about 2 to 3 years ago, and so they work on designing, implementing and supporting high-end networks for customers such as hospitals, small to medium businesses, and they started in Bendigo, but they're looking to open up new offices in Melbourne as well. And my particular role in that company is I'm a junior network administrator, so I help design and develop small projects, but the bulk of my work is along supporting our existing customers and the work that we've put into their projects. So helping it run smoothly, fix the faults that may come up, and any issues they may have with the network. So a typical day-to-day role for me would be answering calls and taking emails from clients, and not only just fixing their problem but sort of documenting the process that we take about that. And then also in between I do bits and pieces with project work and assisting my other colleagues with some of the new work that we're developing for some of our larger customers. Advice that I would give new students who are looking to study is you really only get out what you put in. I think there's a perceived thing is that it'll be done for you, and that you'll just sort of walk through and that you'll come on the other side without having to do much work. But I can say that what you put in and the amount of work that you give the course that you're studying is how are you going to come out on the other side. And not only that, it's a big thing, especially with junior positions that are available in the industry. Employers are looking for a good person and people with good character more than just people with the skills, because everyone's got the skills, but the rarity is having good character and being a good person. And my current bosses told me that they weren't looking for my technological nous as such. It was more of what kind of person I am and how well I'd fit into the team. So that will be my advice that I'd give.